Hello friends. Today I have a new subscribe and bell icon animation for you. And the download link of this template is in the description. So let's make this subscribe intro. I have come to the KineMaster video editor. And first of all I add a color background image. After this the green screen template has to be added, above the color background image. Now the chroma key has to be applied, the green color of the subscribe template will be removed. Now it is the turn to add the logo of the channel. And after adding the logo has to be made backward to the subscribe template. After this the logo has to be adjusted a little. And now you have to add the name of the channel. Now the last step, which is the background color image, is to change its color to green. So now the subscribe animation is completely done. And now it is quite easy to use it. The first is to add a video, now subscribe to the animation. After this, you have to apply the chroma key. In this animation and out animation have to be added. Hope you liked this subscribe animation tutorial for today.